want to chuck it?
Yeah, baby son. Daddy likes chocolate too.
What you got, bud? What is it? You gonna blow it? Blow it. Where'd it go? Wait for Daddy. That's hot. Ooh, it's way hotter than yesterday. He's ready. He already was like, he don't even have to tell him. He was coming over here. Okay. Get up here. I guess I'll just leave my swimming stuff on.
There you go.
Alright, I'll catch you on the flip side.
Come hang out with you or in or no? Hi, buddy. Here you go.
Thank you.
I brought you an extra one. Okay, I love you. Okay, mwah. Here, I'll roll it up.
Bye.
Bye. Good night. Okay.
Good night.
Mwah. Okay, good night.
Good night.
Okay, what's I doing?
Hey. Hey. Good night.
Yeah, he went. Okay, what's here? We'll put your extra juice right here.
Yeah. Up it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, up it.
Okay.
I choose.
So juice.
The red juice.
Yeah.
The red juice on that.
Yeah.
The sun. The mama sun.
Okay, come on. We gotta lay down. Alright, well, today's the last day. We're packing up.
Mama,
We're headed home.
cupcake.
You got a cupcake?
Cupcake.
Mmm. Anyways, we're packing up. We're headed home. We had fun. I'm ready for a shower. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of sad to leave, but it will be nice to kind of get back to civilization. I mean, I've been out here, and I think the part that's nice is just being in nature and not having to like worry about cleaning. Well, I mean, we still cleaned up, so I can't say that, but just not worrying about like, I don't know, like all the wifely duties and all of that stuff. Like, it's just been nice to just chill. Like last night we were just sitting, you know, listening to music and stuff like that, just taking in life and it not being so stressful and important. Bella, I'm gonna kill you. But anyways, we're just about packed up. Husband told me to come over here, have me a Pepsi, and chill out for a minute because I was over there helping him. He's just about got everything taken down though, so. But after that, I think we are headed home. We might make another stop, but I don't know yet. So, but if not, we're on our way home. We're trying to hurry though because there's a guy over here trying to mow the grass. So
A beach swell.
a beach swell.
Buddy, oh no. Whee. I'm all tilted over. Happy. Oh no, help me. Ow.
Well, y'all, we made it home. I'm clean. I've had a shower and I feel glorious. I feel great. We've been home for a little while. I meant to close out the vlog earlier, but my camera was dead, so there's that. And I was trying to shower. We were trying to relax. I was trying to clean up a few things because there was like a little bit of a mess. So anyways, between all that and then husband's sister's coming over, so there's all of that going on and just so much is still going on. This week has been so busy but so fun, so rewarding. So glad that husband got to come home and that the weather was nice, y'all. I was so worried that the weather was going to be horrible because it was supposed to be like rain. It's been raining and just horrible, but outside of the one night I think that it rained on us, it was just like a light shower. That was it. The whole other time, it's been great. So, but it's so good to be home and I'm ready to sleep in my own bed. The air mattress was kind of killing my back and my legs and everything, but I did get a little sun, as y'all can tell. But that's all right. I didn't mind it. It was nice. It felt good. But anyways, I'm about to go in here and relax a little bit. Probably start uploading some videos into my video editor so that I can start working on some editing. But I just wanted to close out the vlog and tell y'all, you know, I hope y'all had a great week, and I'm sorry for not keeping up with everybody. I was trying to keep up here and there, but my internet was really slow where we were. But I have so many videos to catch up on with y'all, and I can't wait to watch everybody's content. I'm so ready to sit down and just relax. Next week should hopefully be chill. Husband, the kids, everybody's going to be gone. It's just going to be me and baby son, so I'll have time to catch up with everybody and just love on everybody and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to say, hope y'all had a great week, and I hope you enjoyed this video and all that good stuff. And until next time, God bless y'all, and go and be a light out there.